Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Xandii Jamell. Welcome to Xandii Jamell Beauty. I have not been here for a while because I don't know. I've been on TikTok and Instagram. I get more attention over there, but I'm trying to really will myself back into doing YouTube consistently. Once upon a time, I did it consistently and then I was just like, blah. But I'm getting back into it. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because that will encourage me to bring more content to the table and whatnot. Anyway, I did a poll on Instagram. I asked what y'all wanted to see and people voted for seeing all the PR that I got in the month of May. This is like amazing for me because I'm a micro influencer, not a super big influencer, but I'm still an influencer, but I'm a micro influencer and I get PR. Brands are really like taking notice that normal people influence normal people. And they're really trying to, I don't know, just be very fluid in who they give PR to and products to. And they're looking at us little folks now. And I love that for us. I love that for me. But anyway, so y'all want to see all the PR I got in the month of May. I got some perfumes. I got skincare. I got hair care. I got makeup. I got everything. So I'm going to just grab stuff as I see it and I'm going to just show it to you. So first and foremost, I got the beautiful Magnolia from Estee Lauder. This perfume retails for $100. It's absolutely beautiful. It lasts all day. I do have a TikTok on it and I absolutely love it and I'm so thankful they sent it to me. And this is a beautiful scent. I love perfume, but I don't pay $100 for them because I don't know. I'll get the travel size if it's that good or whatever. But this is a good perfume, y'all. I highly recommend it if you can afford it. If not, get the travel size. It's beautiful and it lasts all day. Makes me feel beautiful. It makes me feel feminine. Absolutely love it. So thankful to Estee Lauder for sending me that. Next perfume is called Catch Feelings from the brand Sens. Excuse me, y'all. This is a clean brand that just launched in Sephora. And this is like a warm, spicy scent. I love it. It lasts long. If you spray it on your clothes, it will last all day or even over a day. Certain perfumes I'm learning you gotta spray them on your skin or on your clothes. Some last longer on skin than they do clothes and others vice versa. But I love this. This is in Sephora and yeah, I love it. Thank you to them for sending me this. Also have a TikTok video on that. Everything I'm gonna show you, I have a TikTok video on there because that's where my main following is, and that's like how I'm getting noticed by different brands and stuff. But majority of the stuff I got on Octoly, aka Skeepers, aka Octoly. Yeah, I just like apply for campaigns there and like the brands, you know, if I get approved, they send me stuff. So majority of the stuff I'm showing you, I got from there. All right, going on to skincare. I got this weightless liquid mineral sunscreen from First Aid Beauty. I haven't done a review on this yet, but I do like the way it feels on the skin. It is weightless. I have some other comments about this, but I'll reserve that for my review. So look forward to that on TikTok. Sunday Riley sent me their C.E.O. Glow vitamin C and turmeric oil. I use this every day and so far I'm liking it. Recently I've been mixing it in with the moisturizer that I'm going to use for today that like helps me apply it easily, and I love the smell of it. It has like an earthy smell because it has turmeric and all that stuff in it. I just love it. It just I love the smell of turmeric. Bobbi Brown sent me their vitamin enriched face base moisturizer. They sent me this along with their foundation, this color corrector, and their concealer. Really thankful for that. Pattern Beauty sent me some curl mousse, hydrating mist, and the curl gel. Love that. As you know, reviews on TikTok. So that's everything I got from Octoly. Now Topicals sent me their light butter hydrating mist and their faded brightening and clearing mist. I love both of these. I'm actually a Topicals insider. You can use my code XandiiJamell for 10% off your first order. So I was happy about this. I've used this before and I loved it. And this, I have the Like Butter moisturizer and the Like Butter mask. Topicals makes really good products, especially if you like suffer from hyperpigmentation or eczema. Check them out. You'll love them. And last but not least, honey, I don't know who loves me. I love a Lancome, but I love you too. But they sent me a couple of stuff in the past, but I recently got their new foundation. They recently reformulated their Tient Idole foundation. This formula, I love it. However, I don't understand the shade range for this one. You can check my review on TikTok if you want in-depth more information. But Lancome makes really good products. I love the formula of this. But as soon as you put it on your skin, it's like a soft demi matte. And it lasts a good while. The original one did last a good while. But Lancome, they just be checking for your girl. And I love them. I love that for them. I love that for me. Yeah, that's all I got. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want these videos to keep coming, you gotta engage with me. Okay? Otherwise, I'm just gonna run back to TikTok and Instagram. I forgot to mention Swiffer. Swiffer sent me their new mop they came out with. And I love it. And I was so stoked. I was probably the most excited to get that. I got that in the month of May. It's in the kitchen next to the fridge. It's away in my kitchen. I'm not about to go get that to show you. But the Swiffer mop is a yes. It's a must. I love it. Because I already use Swiffer. I have like hardwood floors everywhere. And I just love that. Review on TikTok. Well, I don't really have to do a review. I just have to show myself using it. Actually, no. Let me edit this out. Yeah, I also got that in the month of May. Swiffer sent me their new power mop and I absolutely love it. Yeah, that just got me excited. I was super happy to get that because a couple of days before I knew I was getting it, I was in Target looking for it and I couldn't find it nowhere. But yeah, Swiffer sent me the power mop. That's one of my best things that I got in the month of May that I absolutely love. I love getting like household things that I can actually use. I mean, I use all this stuff here, but like I have a whole bunch of variety, but like with a mop, like it's just that mop, you know? So yeah, that was one thing that I'm absolutely excited about. Sorry, I'm scratching my head. But yeah, that concludes my PR for the month of May. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And yeah, stay tuned for future videos. I kind of want to do a perfume collection because I've been, you know, somewhat influenced by certain perfumes on TikTok. I've kind of like slowed down because some of these perfumes are just, no, they're absolutely trash. And check out my TikTok because I do give like raw, hardcore, I should not use those two words together, but I do give like unfiltered reviews on my perfume because yeah, there's a lot of lying on the perfume TikTok. But yeah, check those out. I'm gonna do a collection video of like all my perfumes and stuff and tell you what to get and what not to get and what sucks. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.